Hi, I'm Priyanka. Most of us love plants, but watering a large number of plants with manual sprayer becomes very exhausting. So, the Agaro Elite electric sprayer is a great relief. Not only it effortlessly helps in watering plants, but has many other uses as well. Let's take a look at it. The Agaro Elite electric sprayer bottle has a large capacity of 2 liters. It's made with premium HDPE material which is sturdy and strong. It comes with easy grip ABS handle and there's also a water level indicator. On top of the handle you will find the power on off button. With the adjustable nozzle, you can change the water stream as per your requirement. You can even open the nozzle for easy cleaning and maintenance. The front part of the nozzle can be removed as well and there is a rubber gasket inside. You also get an extra pair of rubber gasket. To fill water you need to open the lid and you can see it comes with a wide mouth for easy filling. It includes a USB charging cable which you need to use to charge this electric sprayer. It can be used up to 2.5 hours with 3.5 hours of recharge. To use this electric sprayer bottle, first you need to fill it with water. With the water level indicator, you can see the amount of water that you have filled inside this bottle. I am filling this electric sprayer to its maximum capacity, that is 2 liters. Place the lid and this electric sprayer is ready to use. Let me first show you the streams it offers. So this is the wide stream. If you adjust the nozzle, you can make it narrow. And as you can see, you get a continuous stream of water with the press of a button. First, I am using it to water my plants. You can water the plants at the same time you can wash the leaves as well. Since we keep most of the plants outdoor, dust tends to settle on the leaves and it's practically impossible to clean each and every leaf. But with this electric sprayer bottle, you can easily clean your plants. Not just real plants, it can be used for washing artificial plants and grass as well. These days the use of artificial plants and grass has become very common. Dust tends to settle on these artificial plants and grass as well. With this electric sprayer bottle, you can very easily clean the artificial grass and plants with minimal efforts. With the fine jet stream of this electric sprayer bottle, you can easily remove the dirt from wall, especially outdoors from your balcony and terrace walls. You can use it to wash your floor as well, especially outdoor in your balcony and terrace. With the pressurized water stream, you can easily remove the dirt and soil. Using the wide stream of this electric sprayer bottle, you can wash the mirror and glass in your house very easily. Outdoor furniture has become very common in balconies these days, but it tends to attract dust as well. With the jet stream of this electric sprayer, you can easily clean your outdoor furniture. This electric sprayer bottle is great for cleaning bicycle and bikes as well. With the fine jet stream, you can take off the dust and dirt from your vehicle. I believe that the Agaro Elite electric sprayer is a must-have for every household.